Have you ever wondered what's going on in the world of online marketing right now? Is the same old strategy still working, or is there a need for a fresh perspective? The answer lies in the revolutionary theories and techniques that emerged in 2023. To begin with, there's the hyper-personalization theory. Now, you might think, isn't personalization already a part of online marketing? Yes, but hyper-personalization takes it a step further. It's not just about knowing the customer's name and their likes. It's about predicting their needs even before they realize them. It involves the integration of artificial intelligence and real-time data to provide the most relevant and immediate service to the consumer. It's like having a personal assistant who knows what you need when you need it. Next, there's the Omni-Channel marketing technique. This is not just about being present on multiple platforms. It's about providing a seamless and consistent experience across all channels. Whether it's social media, email, or a physical store, the customer should feel like they're interacting with one unified brand. So why are these theories and techniques necessary? Because the digital landscape is constantly changing. Customers' expectations are higher than ever, and they crave a more personalized and unified experience. How can these techniques be implemented? Start with collecting and analyzing data. Understand the customer's behavior, their preferences, their needs. Use this information to personalize the customer's experience. Be consistent in your messaging across all channels. Remember, the key is to make the customer feel understood and valued. Now, how about a real-world example? Consider the case of a popular e-commerce brand that implemented these techniques. They used real-time data to predict their customers' needs and personalized the shopping experience accordingly. They ensured consistency in their messaging across all platforms. The result? Increased customer loyalty, higher conversion rates, and a significant boost in sales. To summarize, the new age of online marketing is about understanding and predicting the customer's needs and providing a seamless and consistent experience across all channels. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about building a relationship with the customer, not just making a sale. So, are you ready to dive into this new era of online marketing? Remember, it's not about changing everything you do. It's about enhancing what you're already doing with these new theories and techniques. It's about staying ahead of the curve in this ever-changing digital landscape.